Have you heard of influencer marketing and you're curious to know what it is? Hi, my name is Juan from Online Entrepreneur Now, and today I want to show you exactly what is influencer marketing. So let's get into it. So essentially, influencer marketing is leveraging someone else's audience or followers to achieve a certain marketing goal. So for example, if I were to sell pet products, I could reach to an influencer on Instagram or YouTube who has a big following and then pay them to feature a post about my products. And in doing so, I will get a lot of sales, a lot of clicks, a lot of subscribers, depending on the marketing goal that I've set. Now, obviously, the bigger the following, the higher the prices will be. So how can you make money from influencer marketing? How can you become an influencer? Well, you're already doing most of what influencers do, just on a much smaller scale. You're sharing the things you love on social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube maybe. And to become an influencer, you need to scale it up to a much bigger level, use marketing strategies to grow your audience, and when you will have enough followers, then you might get brand deals. Brands will offer to work with you, or you can turn to brands and ask them to work together, and then you can make big money off it. And as your audience grows, you will make more and more and more money. Just as an example, if you've got a big following on Instagram and the brand offers to work with you, they may pay you a few $100s just to feature a post or a story about their product and link to it. And it really takes you 5 minutes to do it. So it's really not hard to do. So let's go over to my computer so I can show you a few examples of influencers and how it looks like. Okay, so now we are on my computer and I want to show you a few examples of influencers on Instagram and on YouTube. So I went to Instagram and I searched for pets and I came up with this account which has 123,000 followers. So you can see in their bio they're saying DM for cheap ads, shoutouts, and featuring. Okay, so businesses can turn to them and ask to be featured. They can tag them, they can link to their bio, they can feature a product. So in this case, it seems they are only posting funny or cute videos and images, and maybe they are tagging them in the captions. Okay, so you can see they are tagging someone in here, and me as a follower of them will click on it if I'm interested, and I might find the products or the account that asked to be featured. And when I say ask, I mean they paid them probably. Okay, and yeah, that's one example. Another example is business. So you can see again DM for promotion inquiries. So people pay them and they have 213,000 followers, and so their posts get a lot of exposure. So for me as a business, for example, I can take that 213,000 followers to see my product very easily and pretty inexpensively if I do it, if I compare it to regular ads. So it's really worth it for most businesses. And again, as the followers grow, the prices get higher and higher. But even if you start and you have 10K or 20K, you can make money off it, and it's not that hard. You share things you love, you're interested in. Obviously, you do it more strategically and more consistently than you would on your personal account, and it's a great way to make money. Okay, so another example is YouTube. So for example, I know this YouTuber which talks, I think, about makeup, and she has 8.57 million subscribers. So that's a lot of people. And you can see an inner about in her channel about she has a business email. Okay, so people can send her an email asking to be featured in her videos. So you can see she also posts a PO box, and businesses send her products, and she reviews them and she uses them, and she says if she likes them or she doesn't like them, and she gets paid for it. Okay, so I hope you understand how powerful this business is, and actually you will be doing what you love, which is sharing something that you're passionate about and you're interested in, but you will do it more strategically. And what I mean by that is you will optimize your keywords, you will search for hashtags and put them in your captions, you will optimize your thumbnails and everything else that's needed to attract more followers, and you must stay consistent. Okay, so consistency is key. You must keep posting and growing your audience little by little, and it might take you a lot of time. Okay, it might take a year, it might take 2 years, but once you have that following, then it's passive income, because your businesses will turn to you and you just create a post, create a story, create a video, and you make $200, $300, or whatever, depending on your audience size. And it's really not that hard work after you've grown that audience. Okay, so if you want to see more business hacks and tricks, then I have a whole playlist about it, so you can binge on it if you want. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then comment below, and I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.